Our PFC-200 controllers fulfill specified requirements everywhere. Here, here, and even here. Its numerous interfaces, large memory, design, and technical features make it an all-purpose controller that is not too big for small jobs and not too small for big jobs. Despite its wide application range, there is also a wealth of task-specific functions to get any job done. This is why we have expanded the portfolio to include several special variants. Each model incorporates all of the ratings and features that makes the PFC controller family so unique. For example, controlling a pump without direct connectivity has proven to be quite difficult. To meet this challenge, the WAGO PFC-200 controller with 3G modem features a unique design with an integrated wireless modem, allowing telecontrol protocols to be controlled without additional modules. Strong vibrations, severe temperature fluctuations, and high immunity to interference are tough challenges for controllers when casting bells and steelworks. Thanks to its outstanding key features, the PFC-200 XTR is currently the only controller on the market that can cope with such extreme conditions. The demand for automation systems packaged in compact housings remains extremely high. A prime example of this is the food industry. In addition to its compact design, the PFC-100 also currently features the industry's best price-performance ratio. No matter where you need a reliable controller, together with your WAGO advisor, find the best solution for your application from the 8 model lines and 15 variants found within the PFC family.